Alright, so here is my 2006 Infiniti sedan that is on jack stands. 6-speed G35, good fun. Getting ready for the upcoming drift season. And let me see if I can switch this around here. Got a steering wheel, you can see that. Got this bad boy in here recently. And today, I'm putting in a Mishimoto catch can that I got for Christmas. Merry Christmas if you're in the States and everywhere else. First things first, pull off your damn battery terminals. No need having something silly happen. Afterwards, I'm going to take off the cover here, the engine cover, because we're going to be working in this part of the world here on the passenger side of the engine. Just like that, the engine cover is off, and if we look down, you can see the PCV valve. It's going to be right here. This hose running to the intake manifold is going to be the line that we're going to replace. The catch can will fit right down here with the line running to the catch can and back to the intake manifold. So next, this nifty little bracket gets to come off. See you later, homie. Pop this little bracket off right here with a screwdriver, push that out, and you should be able to lift up your power steering reservoir. And also a set of needle nose pliers will help you get these brackets off to the PCV valve. At some point, you can just unscrew this guy right here. If it's being rude. PCV valve off, it'll look like that. And the out will be that direction to the intake manifold. Time to get this taken care of. With the bolts out, this just comes off. Set that aside. Whoever gets it next, not me. And this is a Mishimoto piece. Let's see if that's gonna work. It's close. It's gonna need a little. It's actually worth noting, when I set this here, it's reasonably tweaked. If I look at the part, it looks like maybe it just got squished when they were shipping it or something. I don't know. I'll bend it back to shape. So, after a little bit of fiddling, you can almost just bend this thing with your hands to get it back to where it belongs, but it has this nice little spot. So I transfer the grommets over. Perfect. Get this thing, get the catch can on there, and get it bolted in. All right, so here's the catch can before I get installed. Has the in and the out. Ooh, it says Mishimoto. And these little guys are the mount screws to go to the top of the bracket. Looks nice, has a little filter and what have you on the inside. We'll see how this goes. All right, the catch can is in. Got the power steering back on. It's got a little tabby that you gotta make sure fits just so. It is that secure. Should be fine for what it's doing. Two hoses, little guy and a big guy. Big guy will go there. The little one will kind of go something like that. It's got some hose clamps that came with the kit. And the big one will do something just about like so, but underneath the wiring harness. So we'll get these things on here and tighten everything up. All right, so the Mishimoto oil catch can is all installed. Little brackets, power steering, back where it belongs. Got the little clamps on the hoses. Hoses kind of go where they need to. It's a pretty simple thing to do. I don't know, this took me maybe 45 minutes. So on a scale of 1 to 10, This is a solid 1.5 on the difficulty scale. Last thing to do is reattach the battery and turn it on, make sure nothing too wild happened that shouldn't have. So this is easily the most comfortable seat in the house. Let's see how she sounds. I like that damn steering wheel. Yeah, not the worst. Not too many lights. Horn still works. Cool. Alright guys, well there's that. You need to install a oil catch can. This is one of your potential options. Hope you had fun watching the video. I'm going to try to make more of these. If you don't hate it, well then keep watching them. If you do, have a rad life or whatever. Peace up, yo.